And small unmanned aerial systems can be pretty darn useful in a variety of ways, like rescues. Late last month, out on the Oregon coast, a drone figured in the rescue of Felix the Border Collie. The poor pooch spent the night precariously perched on a seaside cliff. Local Fire Chief Matt Verley, who's a private pilot and a drone pilot, responded to calls for help to find Felix. Considering the terrain, he figured the drone was better suited to the task than his Cessna 172. He found Felix in only about 10 minutes and helped direct the rescue. Wow. I think those are tears of joy. And down under, a drone saved 2 teens caught in 10-foot surf in a strong undertow. New South Wales lifeguards used a Little Ripper drone to drop an inflatable rescue pod to the struggling swimmers. It took only about 70 seconds to fly the drone to the swimmers. Lifeguards said it would have taken them about 6 minutes to get to the boys otherwise. Pretty remarkable use of a drone.
That's amazing. That's scary to be lost at sea like that, correct? Really.